I was working with many different organizations, many focused on women's needs. One of the constant themes were problems within the family court. So there was no real court watch focusing on family law specifically. There were, criminal court, domestic violence, but no one was really looking at family law. So I worked really hard developing an instrument after much research and came up with an instrument that would look solely at family law, but we wanted to make that effort more than one county, more than one state, to see that this instrument could be used across the country to collect information and data on what is actually occurring in the family court.
We looked at the counties, data by counties in Michigan, where we had most of the observations. And it turned out that each of the counties had a different average median income for households. So from that, we were able to put the counties in order from wealthier to less wealthy counties. We compared the data on how many cases were heard without lawyers, and of course that, no surprise, that was the lower income counties. But somewhat of a surprise to me is that the higher income counties tended to have much longer cases that went up to 15 years in length, and cases that were primarily about control issues like custody and visitation or violence, and not about money issues.
We were very fortunate to have many volunteers. Then word of mouth happened, and university students were asking if they could work on the project. We initially began, I believe, 2004, 2005. And we've had ins and outs, meaning when you have volunteers, then you're in court, and when you don't, you're not. So it's over a course of many years, but we started about 2004 or 5.
We have enough data for more than 600 cases, 600 observations, and we have 170 different questions that are answered by the observer on the form. We expect to have rich findings of additional facts and correlations that may involve some sophisticated statistical techniques like regression analysis and grouping different kinds of concerns, comparing them with another concern. We have our work cut out for us.
Well, right now our major focus is this paper getting published, after which we would like very much to move on to another paper. We're going to focus solely on Michigan. Our goal would be to engage universities to provide us with university students who'd be interested in working on the project for credit, and hopefully the university would find this an important thing for them in terms of civic involvement. When the article is published, we hope to put a link up on our website and on our Facebook page so everybody can know where to go and get it, and do a small announcement on our Facebook page and website telling everybody it's out.